Set up that way. Good. Great. As you climb, cut drivers. Straighten out and come forward. Straight. Back drivers. Good. As you climb. Aim for that big angled white rock. Driver's side, that one up there, driver's side, squeak it.
Yeah, it could have been, but the rocks are so big. Yeah.
Break out and climb.
Okay, you're right. So to get pictures over there?
Yeah, because of the way that they come in.
You're going to drop. Okay, I guess we'll go up. Right to me.
Just a
Ease back. Passenger back. Okay, good. I'm giving you a harder line.
That's the old slingshot rock.
Hard drivers as you come over that. Hard driver. Don't bounce. I'm not replacing parts. Back up, turning passenger. There you go.
I'm done hunting.
Just over that one. Get back on the top of that rock. Good. Hard driver. Hard as you can. Hard. There you go. Come forward. Stay hard driver. Good.
Jeremy, why don't you just send him up the creek 25 yards to the other crossing?
Hey. I want you to go straight. You're turning a little driver. Good. Good. Stay straight. You're trying to hit me. Now turn. Come forward. Turn hard that way. Hard. Stay that route. Straight up. Drive out. We're up to the left here. Right. Going to the right.
Woohoo! Good job.
Oh.
I distracted him.
You got an ignition problem. It's doing that on its own.
I think it's got a boom bounce problem.
You need to get...
Passenger side tire. Right there.
Yeah, I mean, he's been for like the man before.
Good, straight. Bump up. Straight. Straight. You're straight.
He didn't want to. Listen,
You're going to climb on this side. I want you to turn into the passenger.
once you're there,
Straighten up. Good. I'm going to be doing a lot of quick adjustments to just roll with it. Straight.
When you're going reverse, but your fenders are cleared. It's hard, I know. But it works, it does.
Come on up and then straight. Straight. You got a big climb on that side, just come on straight. Good. Slow. You're getting ready to go hard drivers. Come forward. Hard drivers. Good. Straighten up. Come forward that way. Good. Good. Hold it. Keep coming. Keep going. Keep going. Come on. Now straighten up. Good. Stay straight. Do not turn that way. Stay straight. Good. You're going to drop on this side and you're going to turn passenger. Turn. Good. Harder passenger. Good. Come forward and you're going to come back straight. Come forward. Keep coming. Straight. Good. Hard drivers. And come forward. Good. Keep holding drivers. Now turn passenger. Hard passenger. Right there. Come forward. Straighten out. You're going to get a little whoopee and you're out. A little bit more passenger. Perfect. Straighten out. Straighten out. You're going fast in this right now.
I wish you would have painted those skids pink.
Pink. Straight up. The motherboard is deep.
That's why I wish.
Got a lot of work before the show and shine.
Get in line.
A lot of waxing to do.
I'll touch up on the timbers. You don't need no sneaker spots.
Hold on.
Now your tire's going to come off the...
He knows.
Yeah, turn into it. There you go.
Perfect. Don't turn your stroke. You really want to go straight down.
Aww.
Ignition problem like lit.
No, it actually turns off right there.
It does. There's a cut off there.
Straighten up. Good. Nice and slow. Let me move. Hold straight.
Some guys' tires adjustable.
Straight. Hard drivers. Good.
So many companies on there.
Slow. Slow.
1, 2.
Are you riding the brake a little bit? Okay. Hold that line a little bit, drivers. Come forward. Good. Straight. Fine. Hard pass, hard. Good. Slow. Back up about a foot. That was my fault. Good. Hold there.
Yeah, he doesn't have that long arm yet.
Okay, passenger, just a little. Good. Stay straight toward me. Stay straight. Do not turn fast. Stay straight. Now hard pass. Harder. Good. You're going straight up fast and you're going through the button.